Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be making a bat mask for a Halloween costume. I suddenly realised that the Halloween costume I had bought for my little boy is just a little bit basic. So it's this bat costume and it's just a cape. So I thought I would have a go at making a little felt mask. I've made a couple of felt crowns before. So I've got the supplies already. I didn't need to go out and get much, but I wanted to have a little go at making a mask. So I made a little template of what the mask shape will be. And I've got the felt sheets that I'll need to needle felt onto. And I've also got this elastic because I want to have a go at making the crowns have an elastic back, because I usually use ribbon and they are a bit fiddly. They do tend to slip. So I think it's going to be a good idea to use the elastic. I've also got my big box of needle felting supplies. So let's get into it. Okay, so job number one is to get the template sorted. So I very rudimentary really got this template by just drawing on my child's face and seeing where I wanted the edges to fall and where his nose would end up. So I'm just going to tidy this up and then get on with it. So there's the back and there's the front. So I'm just going to stitch that together now and then we will be done. Turn that back on, Jack Jack. Thank you. This is so fun to do with children about. So I've got my pieces here and I've also got the and I've also got the elastic that's to Harry's head size. So I'm just going to make it a little bit tighter so that it's snug on his head. I have also threaded my needle, but as it's black on black, it's probably not going to be interesting to see it threading through. So I'm just going to come back when it's done. So I am back after a couple of hours stitching, and that was miserable because it was the black thread on the black felt and it was really difficult to see, but this is how it turned out and I am so happy with it. I think it went really well in the end and I think that it will finish off Harry's costume really nicely. So thanks for sticking with me on this quick little project and I will see you in the next one.